Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Ghost Hunters. In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Blair, a thrilling ghost hunting experience. Your primary objective is to work with up to 3 friends to identify the ghost haunting a location. You'll need to find 3 unique pieces of evidence to determine its type. Basic movement involves using the W, A, S, D keys, while your mouse controls looking and aiming. Remember to press F to interact with objects, and M to open your game menu. To succeed in Blair, you'll rely on a variety of ghost hunting equipment. Carry a thermometer to detect freezing temperatures, often below 0 degrees Celsius, indicating the ghost's room. An EMF reader will show electromagnetic field spikes, with level 5 being crucial evidence. Use a spirit box to communicate, a ghost writing book for messages, and a video camera to spot elusive ghost orbs. Don't forget a UV light for fingerprints. Beware, your sanity is a critical resource in Blair. It drops when you're near ghost activity or in the ghost room, making you more vulnerable to hunts. When a hunt begins, your flashlight will flicker, and you'll hear your heart pounding. Quickly find a hiding spot, like a closet, or use a crucifix to ward off the ghost for a short time. Effective communication with your team is essential for survival and sharing vital clues. To master Roblox Blair, teamwork is key. Coordinate with your squad to efficiently search rooms and gather evidence. Don't forget to complete secondary objectives, such as capturing a ghost photo or witnessing a ghost event, for additional cash and experience. Experiment with various equipment kits to find what best suits your strategy. With practice, you'll learn ghost behaviors and become a seasoned ghost hunter, identifying entities with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.